Hi,
Yes,
good evening.
very good evening.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. So we are meeting for the first time. So could you introduce yourself?
Sure. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So my
Mm.
name is Vandy. I'm from Jamshedpur. So regarding my education, I have done BA in Political Science honors. Then I have done Bachelor degree of Library Science from IGNOU University.
O-
But after that, I did some hair courses from Blossom Couture Academy. So by professional, I'm a hair trainer or a hair stylist, both.
Okay, that's good. So when did you start your hairstyling job?
I did course 2011 and I joined 2013 as a hair trainer job. I work. So 5 years I work over there.
Okay. So do you go to outside like any parlor? Yeah, do you go to as any company?
As a company, you must have heard Blossom Culture Academy,
Actually, sorry, I don't know.
Aroma,
Okay,
Aroma Magic.
aroma,
You
aroma.
must
Yeah,
know it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I know aroma.
So
Yeah, I know.
Aroma Magic. So yeah. So Aroma Magic owner is a Blossom Culture ma'am. So she
Okay.
runs that academy in Delhi. So I work over there 5 years.
Okay. So you live in Delhi.
No, right now I came back my home. So I
Okay.
go to my sister's salon.
Okay. Okay. So do you have any your own salon?
No, I opened my own salon 2019 in Delhi. But
Okay.
due to Corona stuck, I had to shut my salon. So that time I came back my home and I am sitting
Oh,
here. I'm looking new job as well as, but it's a very difficult to search. Do very hard to search a job. This time getting job is not easy thing. And
okay.
I'm here. That is why it's a very small town. Jamshedpur is a very small town, so we don't get that much opportunity. If you live in metro cities, so you get more opportunity over there.
Yeah. Yeah. So actually, so how long have you been learning English, and what is the purpose behind this?
Uh, I started my journey. I had started my journey last last year, month of October.
Okay.
So I practice a lot. Means I had joined since my college time. It was my dream. Okay, I love to this language. I want to learn this language since my college time. But I joined some offline classes. But offline classes could not help you that much. You cannot. Their environment is not provide speaking. So that is why I could not learn this language. But finally, I had start my English journey last year, month of October. So I'm
o-
practicing different platform I use, and as well as a group. I joined some group, Telegram group or WhatsApp group. So I'm
Okay.
practicing with them. So that time, initially stage, I could not speak one sentence, but gradually I am able to speak and I can convey my thought and idea.
Yeah. Actually, you are a good speaker. So how many members have you talked on a YouTube channel?
Uh, just two people, like
Okay.
Anisha,
Yeah, I know very well.
Anisha or Anima. So I had spoken with them.
Okay. So who
You are
suggested?
my third one.
Oh,
You are
that's
my
good.
third one.
So who suggested you about me?
Nobody
Do you
suggested
know
me
me?
because yeah, no, I know, I watch your video, so I thought, okay, means all are practitioners. So I means
Yes.
whatever whoever connect with me and I text them and they reward me, so I try to connect with them. So
Okay.
I want to ask to you why you are learning. You are a teacher. You are a means established means you do job and you are means settled. Your life is settled. So why you are learning English?
I want to improve my communication skills because English is a global language and every person wants to learn this language. And also I have said that I have a daughter and also I'm a teacher. So first of all, I want to teach my student in this language because in my school there comes very poor families child, so they have no more money, they can't go any convent school. So I want to change uh, environment in my school. And also my daughter, she's very small and she studies in convent school, so sometimes I have to go her school for any events, ptm, so there is a very necessary conversation in english language. So that's all. And as well as I found of traveling, so I want to visit
Okay.
entire india and I want to go foreign country. So english is a very important. So we
Right.
can't say that yeah, I'm a teacher, yeah, I am doing job, so this language is not important for me. But yeah, before I was thinking this language is not important for me, but before, you can say, yeah, 8 to 9 months ago, I realized no, I should learn English, and because it's very important nowadays. So that's why
Right.
I'm learning English.
So when did you start your journey, English journey?
Actually, 6 to 7 months ago, I started my YouTube channel. Before I could understand, but I could not able to speak. Whenever I talked any person face to face, so I got stuck. I started, hesitation, and whenever I talked, so I started fumbling. Also, right now I'm talking to you, I am doing lots of mistake, I know, but after using this platform, right now I can talk, I do mistake, but I do not lots of mistake, because 2 to 3 months ago, I skipped making video. I was not making any video because my health was not good, so that time I was not doing any practice. Consistency is very important. And a couple of days ago, I started again my journey.
Okay, great.
Do you like traveling?
Yeah, definitely. I like traveling, visit
Okay.
different places. But
So
I
which
didn't
place
get
do you
more
want to?
chance to travel.
Okay.
My dream place is
Yeah.
Switzerland.
Oh,
My dream place,
Switzerland.
my
It's
bucket
nice
list. I
place.
always yeah. I my bucket list always I dream have to go Switzerland, but I don't know. I don't have money and
Definitely,
I
ma'am,
don't
you
have
will go.
any. So,
And yeah, also I want to go there. Also, I like Switzerland, Maldives, and USA, Canada. Lots of
okay.
places. I want to
Switzerland,
visit.
yeah, Switzerland, no, Switzerland. Why? Because I lot of think and heard, no, in a movie, if you see the Bollywood movie, lots of movie they shooting over there. So by seeing
Yeah,
that scene, I want to go there. Pleasant weather, no, and greenery everywhere.
right.
So these things attract Switzerland.
Okay.
And
So how?
In India, I visited Rishikesh, Vaishno
Okay.
Devi,
Haridwar,
Puri.
Rishikesh. Okay.
Yeah, Puri. So that places I visited.
So have you visited South India places?
Yeah, once I visited. Since my childhood, I visited Tripati Mandir with my family. And recently, means month of April or May, I visited Vijayanagaram and
Okay.
Visakhapatnam.
Oh, that's good. So I think
So
you
that,
visited lots of places. Oh, that.
that experience was very different because their eating, food is eating style is totally different. They
Yes.
don't eat, means, like a northeast style breakfast or lunch. They eat little different, mean idli, dosa, sambar. So every day they serve that kind of breakfast. We means, those who are live in northeast, so they don't like no eat regular
Yes.
that kind of stuff. But it's okay if you go for some time. Yeah, you can enjoy. You can avoid something and you can enjoy everything.
Right, ma'am. Yeah, also a few months ago, I went to Gujarat and I saw
Okay.
Statue of Unity. Yeah, and Gujarat place is very nice, clean, totally clean. And I took food there. Their food was very tasty and very
Yes,
simple,
yes.
no spicy. Yeah. So, ma'am,
So
what are your
dhokla
hobbies?
papada.
Yeah, dhokla, fafda,
Uh,
and everything's actually is not only some North Indian food. There is available. There was available, and so that
hmm.
was not spicy. Every Gujarati I mostly sweets. Yeah, food. So
Okay.
okay, ma'am. I was asking about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Yeah, nowadays I have a one hobby: learning English, speaking, means reading, learning, listening, everything in English, nothing else.
Uh, oh, that's good.
So
And apart
sometimes
from
means I
English.
means I like apart from English, yeah, I like to swim, but there is a not a swimming pool. So yeah, there is, but means everybody cannot allow that to swimming pool. So that is why I don't means follow. I don't go there. So these days I learned how to swim, but yeah, that is my one of my hobbies, swimming, and another is reading books. Not some every type of books. Means some kind of books I follow some philosophy. So related to that philosophy books, I try to read. And yeah, watching related to my styling or related to my profession video, I watch that kind of content. I watch. So
Okay.
these are my
So,
hobbies.
oh, that's good. So, ma'am,
So
you were
what is
saying
yours?
that, yeah, my hobbies are teaching, cooking, making videos, and sometimes reading books. That's all.
So
And
what type
nowadays,
of books
yeah,
do you read?
winter season has been start, so I will play badminton with my daughter.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, it's a nice exercise, I think. No.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's a very good exercise.
So, what do you do for enhance your speaking?
Uh, Nowadays, I speak more. Means whenever I go to different platform and search co-learner and practice with them. Instead, 2 to 3 hours I practice every day, and as well as I listen some story, short story, cartoon
Okay.
story. So I watch that kind of content, and as well as grammar. Grammar is a pillar of this language. So yeah, I watch related to grammar video.
Okay. So whenever you talk any YouTuber, yeah, any person face to face, so how do you overcome your fearness, your hesitation?
No, this is my third video, so definitely after some time I feel little confident, and that time I overcome my fear, and confidently I can face anyone.
You can say you are a confident lady, yeah,
Oh my God! Thank you so much.
and your English is
So,
very good, man.
what do you do? Oh my God! Thank you so much. You are also good. It means
No, these
clarity
days
is there.
actually, I skipped 2 to 3 months, so and I didn't do any practice because if your health is not good, so we can't do anything. I had to go my school because that this is very important for me. but otherwise I
Yes.
didn't do related to this language. So that's why I feel, because I know,
Okay.
I will say every viewers, every person who is learning English, so please don't skip and you continue your journey, and practice is very important. Yes,
Right. You are 100% right. And say you took my word. Means definitely we don't stop. Okay. If you stop,
right,
means cannot achieve your goal. We are here to
right,
achieving our goal. Anyhow, I have to speak. I have to become good speaker. So we have to practice and we have to stand. No, whether you are wrong or right, we have to stand over there.
right. That's why my
Otherwise,
health started. Yeah, that's why my health was not good. So my husband, he suggested me, please don't make video, and you can take some rest, and you have a lots of work related to home, school. So please skip. That's why I skipped. But that I was feeling very bored. Sometimes I don't have a time. But I realized whenever I scrolling my mobile, whenever I watched on YouTube channel any person video, so I was thinking, no, I should start again. Then I again start.
right,
Yeah,
right.
because I was feeling some missing in my life.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Mm.
once you set your time, no. So whenever you get you means you left that thing, you are not doing that thing. So after some time you feel no, oh my God, what I did. Means I have to do that things again because these things give me a lot of enjoyment and pleasure also. So yeah, it's a new world. Okay, YouTube means new world, and it gives you new
Right.
experience as well as people are asking you know there are
Actually,
they involved.
yeah,
So
and we can
people
talk stranger person, and while talking,
right,
we also I feel very good and I feel very glad.
right,
So
yeah. What do you do for enhancing your English?
actually, at this time, ma'am, I am not doing anything. But when I started learning English, at that time I watched on YouTube channels. At that time, conversational video clapping, go Cambly. Yeah, sometimes I watched some cartoons stories video. I watched South Indian movie. Actually, I like South Indian movies. So in dubbing movie in
Okay.
English, and I talked with my daughter. Sometimes, right, this time I talk with my daughter, but in starting time. But these days I am not doing. I use only this platform.
Thank you so much giving your precious time.
Oh, same to you. Okay, so we will meet again. Bye.
Definitely, definitely. Bye.